Hi friends, let's get closer to nature together. Let me share with you my experience of visiting Deer Park in Hisar. It was a bright sunny day in February 2022. Me and my family went there for a picnic, carrying our lunch and some drinks. To my surprise, we were welcomed by langurs. We got lucky and entered the deer park by convincing the caretaker who was going to feed the deer. We saw the deers rushing towards the food and running around. It was a memorable day when I got to be close to the wildlife and relish the beauty of nature. It was a real fun to feed the deers with my own hands. They were playful and beautiful. I was excited and scared at the same time when I touched them. After going around the park, we sat in the garden surrounded by the sweet smell of flowers. The calm wind made it a perfect place to relax. We enjoyed the view with some snacks and drinks. Thereafter, we went to the Bluebird Lake for a beautiful and refreshing boat ride. As the sun set, we left for our home with happy memories and excitement.